Hello and welcome. In this video, we're reviewing Joy, a live streaming and one-on-one video chat app that lets you connect with strangers around the world. But is it genuinely fun and safe, or just an expensive swipe-based gamble? Let's take a look. Joy is a mobile-only app available on iOS and Android that pairs you for quick live video chats with strangers from anywhere. It features an intuitive swipe-style interface, real-time translation for multilingual chats, a gender and country filter, which is only available in the premium features, and a virtual gifting system through in-app coins. The app doesn't require personal info like email or phone number to sign up, and starts chats with a blurred video preview, adding a layer of privacy. On the plus side, users often praise Joy's sleek, user-friendly interface, multilingual chat tools, and spontaneous random video connections that can be fun and lighthearted. A user review notes smooth functioning during calls, variety of people, no ads, and easy to use. However, there are notable drawbacks. Joy relies on a coin-based economy where video chat time, filters, and other features can be very expensive, especially for prolonged use. Many users report calls dropping mid-chat, poor customer service, and even financial exploitation due to unclear pricing. Some complaints include suspicious profiles, over-aggressive monetization, and recurring disconnections. So is Joy worth using? Joy is legit and can offer spontaneous, entertaining video chat experiences, especially if you're looking for light engagement and don't mind occasional cost. But if you're watching your budget or hoping for deep connections, be prepared to monitor in-app spending and tread carefully when interacting with strangers. And that would be all for today's review video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.